If you want to learn more how to trade, so how to read charts, paano malaman ang rotation, you are invited to join our masterclass natin on YC versus PH. We will run an 8-week session coming from basics to advanced session and the techniques that we have personally developed and long-term investing principles behind. If you want to learn more how to trade, so how to read charts, paano malaman ang rotation, you are invited to join our masterclass natin on YC versus PH. We will run an 8-week session coming from basics to advanced session and the techniques that we have personally developed and long-term investing principles behind.
Just do it! Yes, you can!
ako. Nakamute pa ako. I was talking the whole time. Alright, so magandang gabi again to everyone. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Together with me, of course, your host for tonight, Wise Investors PH, on my personal live trading. Join me for tonight for the next 2 hours. So, request naman. Can you share this live to all the group that you belong with para mas dumami tayo dito tonight? Analyzing the market, in the global market, crypto market, forex market. Pag-usapan natin yan tonight, dahan-dahan. Alright, audio check. Alright, check. Ayan. May problema na yung mic ko, ano? Anong yung aking ano. Alright, let me check my audio if I'm... Hello. Yan, okay, good. Alright, there you go. Let's go. Alright, so magandang gabi din. First, Jamie o Jelizon, magandang gabi. 10-10 loud and clear. Thank you, Alfred. Rose Sam, magandang gabi. Jeffy Nieva, magandang gabi rin dyan, guys. Hope you're doing great there in United Kingdom, Sir Alfred. I think it's 4 o'clock sa inyo dyan, 6 hours kayo, 6 hours. No, it's 9 o'clock, so 6 hours. Mga 4 p.m. sa'yo, usually. Okay. Alright, so share this live, guys. Let's check the market. Where is it going right now? Diretso tayo. On the US market muna tayo. Diretso natin ng US market. Where is it right now? Right, US market, no? After the sell-off last week, no, it really had a correction, of a healthy correction between almost 2% on the whole index or the SPX 500, no? And good thing about it, very, very healthy. Right now, it's on the retest of the previous support that could actually turn to a resistance. So, for tonight, we are in dapat obserbahan natin to kasi medyo hindi natin alam saan pupunta yung area na to, which is this one. It's 4491 is about our resistance currently. Previous support may turn to resistance already. Okay, expected. So, this is my Elliott wave here. Possible dito mag-support. Retest there. Then, possible here on the next few months. September, October. But titingnan natin yan kung ano nangyayari. How can we react? How can we do? How can we trade it? Anong mga stocks dapat tingnan natin at this time period of the year. Okay, let's check at US 100. Our tech stocks. So, tech stocks right now is on the bounce of MA20. Also near a resistance period or possible this resistance area here. Let's check if this can continue or it will follow that resistance as it corrects, no? A healthy correction. So same lang din yan for me. Possible yan, here, bumagsak, then angat dito, then dito. Or another factor there, you could resist there, support here, support there, then drop, then sideways here, then angat. So, hindi natin alam kung ano mangyayari, but possible. Ito yung mga possible mangyayari. We will never know. So, okay. So, ngayon, possible on the opening until tomorrow. Pwede pa tang mamili, pero mas better in this time of period, especially the second week span period. Really make most of the profit that you already had since August or since April of this year. So yung mga medyo may TP niyan because sayang, baka maging bato pa yung income na yan or profit na yan that you can really turn on to cash. So congratulations for those who are beating the market this year. Yes, congratulations to you. But if not pa, may chance pang humabol 3 months from now. So until December. So tingnan natin yan as we go along. Okay. Ano ba next natin titingnan? Okay, sectoral rotation. Di ba? Mas better natin tingnan natin ano man nangyari sa sectors. Let's load my chart on my sectoral rotation. Sectoral. Yeah, there you go. So while this is loading, magandang 9 a.m. NSE time. NYSE time. 2 p.m. LSE time. Anong oras pa sa'yo sa 2 p.m.? Okay, 2 p.m. Good. Tanghaling tapat. Magandang gabi din dyan from YouTube. Thank you for watching through YouTube. Coach April. Magandang gabi din dyan. Daryl Osmeña, SLP. Sir, patingin. Yeah, I think SLP is around 3 pesos right now. So, grabe, no? Grabe ang ibinagsak ng SLP. So, while this is loading, hopefully, no? Hindi kayo medyo sakto lang yung ano nyo sa XLP. Hindi kayo masyado. Ano is opportunity na pumasok? The question is, malakas pa ba ang hatak ni ang pangalan ng game na yan? Pangalan game Axie, no? So, tingnan natin kung how is it going, no? So far, it's the best time for you kasi pag nagmahal yan, if it's gonna turn 5 or 6 pesos per XLP, then nakuha mo siya ng mas mababa, then you can actually really profit a lot, no? Anmol Patak, can you speak in English? Naku, nosebleed tayo dyan. Nosebleed. I'll do my best, sir. I'll do my best. You should have PM me prior this live. I could have bought a lot of English. Okay, I have a budget, but I did not bought a lot of English today. Okay? But I will do my best for you. Okay? All right. Let's go to sectoral rotation. Where are we as a sector? Let's go closer to by June. Let me double click this one and so I can check. All right. So, yeah. Okay. All right. So, as we notice this year, let's go to this year first. No? If you notice, the sectoral rotation, no? Sectoral rotation, coming from a cyclical of energy, now trying to go cheaper because cyclical, no? The thing that actually mahabol or catching up this year is still technology. Kasi laggard sila in the first quarter of the year. But definitely, we can expect technology and even healthcare to really catch up at the end of the year. That's one thing that we need to look out, no? That's one thing that we need to look into. Okay? Let me block this one. May mga gumagaya ng ano dyan. Alright. For the sectoral rotation. But if we go closer, in the last few quarters, no? Let me just reset this one and then check it forward. There you go. Okay. If you notice also, this last quarter, technology is the one that's really trying to beat the market by almost 13% so far on this quarter. Followed by the healthcare. So talaga sumasabay yung healthcare natin. The good thing about it, this quarter is the total index or the SPX 500 is close up to 7%. No? And if you also notice kung the whole year, the energy is still above the index but is trying to deep dive or take profit, but nagiging mas mura siya. So possible we can see some bounce correction or bounce trade pataas at the span of November and December for energy stocks. And then one thing that we also need to look into is the industrial. Though nag-deep dive si industrial starting from June, but if you also notice, it's trying to go up already and trying to hold on this current percentage for the industrial. So isa rin yung tinitingnan ko, and cheaper stocks is still available in the what sector? The XLP, the staples, of course, and the consumer discretionary, because one data that we had during our report, restaurants opening is around 85 to 90% in US. So very promising ang staples and consumer discretionary. But one thing that we need to really drive and to look into, or also na kailangan nating bantayan, is still technology at the most, because after a correction last Feb and March, may mga nagmura dyan eh. Then trying to really and also after the correction as well, inflation report come in and the earnings are really beating the expectation. We can really see technology to really rise so this year, or to catch up for this year. So that's the sectoral analysis right now. So but for tonight, most likely, let's zoom in further. July. Okay. Most likely for tonight, maybe, not sure. Okay. Backward tayo konti. Ayan. For tonight, ang medyo closer, this is the green one is SPX 500, the yellow one. The discretionary and still the utilities might be the one, discretionary, internet stocks, and some of the consumer like retail na medyo pwede nating tingnan tonight, like sa mga staples na to. Or some of the industrial that still maganda pa rin yung sector, like internet industry or mga telecom equipment na pwede nating tingnan this tonight. So same pa din tonight, but definitely ang maganda kasi ngayon na based on the chart is the discretionary, no? Naglalaro siya on the MA50. So nandun yung pera, no? Nandun yung pera. Kung babalik natin sa August, medyo magulo na tong August. Huwag na natin tingnan yung August kasi magulo na yan. Alright, so that's it for our sectoral rotation. Let's go to crypto market because crypto market is still one of the fastest right now because of the attention. No, so we check the crypto market. I have a crypto market. Look at that, no? It's everything is on red, no? Everything is on red. Yun lang talaga kayang bilhin na English eh. Everything is on red, everything is on green. No? Yun lang nabili ko, sir. You know? Send me GCash 0917-888-7312. So I can buy more English for you. Okay. But XTZ coming from a momentum, XTD is also one, no? Pero XTD is already 80 degrees already pataas eh. So maybe this is just a trade bounce, no? Honestly, everything's red. So let's check it one by one. Let's check out Bitcoin, your US dollar. Okay. Okay, the good thing about Bitcoin right now, no? The good thing about Bitcoin, from my last analysis, sabi ko sa Bitcoin, dapat mag-hold siya on this support eh. Kasi di siya nag-hold. It actually played below what I expected, no? Dapat dito siya naglaro on the channel. So, but still, maganda sa kanya, it's still maintaining the higher form channel, but going sideways, which is still good because it means to say that this area is trying to hold, which is what area is this one? This is 44, no? So, possible a psychological support that give us this low on the trend line. So, it means to say people are trying to rebuy this area possible as long as this trend line is holding. And below there is still a lot of dynamic support like our MA50 and MA100. So try to really coil with those areas. So medyo promising ng konti ang ipinapakita ni Bitcoin. But ang kailangan nating tingnan dito is the MA10 because for me, okay, it's losing momentum already. Losing momentum at the same time going sideways. So check natin hanggang mag-hold tong area to, which is 44. It's still good for Bitcoin after that rally last August. So it's very, very expected. But let's see and observe, no? As of today until the end of the week. No? Okay, so that's the sentiment. So more into tomorrow, the confirmation if magko-continue to rise up or to rally the crypto market. So with the sentiment that we are checking right now for Bitcoin, everything will follow eh. So not most of the time, but not all the time, but most of the time, no? So let's check. Okay. So tingnan din natin to. So on Ethereum, I did not buy Ethereum, but it's going sideways right now. After this bounce, pero medyo talagang no? Medyo talagang going sideways halos lahat, no? So for now, let's observe muna for Ethereum. Kasi very promising yung pinakita ni Ethereum. But ang ganda rin yung trend niya eh. The angle is perfectly good. But the good thing about it is trying to build this base. Possible kung magkaroon siya ng magandang base na to. Okay? Kaya niya itulak. Pero kung hindi niya kaya yan, baka hanggang dito lang to eh. Tapos bigla ibagsak. So, it's better to really go sideways for Ethereum for the next few weeks, better para it have like a lot of volume accumulating or reaccumulating to really retest this resistance. Ilang resistance yan guys? So tatlo. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Ang lalakas yan. So kailangan talaga mag-build up yan dito. So let's check. Ethereum is one of my based on trend, is one of my favorite after ADA. So after ADA, in terms of the degree and fastest, ADA is one that's very promising. So after that rally there, it gives us a sell off here because it did not validated, no? It not invalidated our ascending triangle. So, di talaga niya, binagsak niya plus may field retest pa dito. So, kailangan talaga dito mag-sideways sa bat. The good thing about it, it's going sideways through the previous support. But kaya nga, maganda sa kanya, it's dahil mahina tong support na to, it needs to establish a support more for Ethereum. So, wala tayong gagawin dito, just to observe. But I did buy this one at this area. Bumili ako dyan. As long as this is holding. But if not, we were gonna see it as we go along. So, for now, kung muna kayo aggressive, pwede kayo magdagdag kung may maganda kayong base. It means to say, kung meron kayo nabili dito, pwede nyo bilhin dyan kasi may base naman kayo na profit na from here. Pero if wala pa, bibili ka pa lang, observe muna. Seriously, observe muna. No? Check again, another one, my third favorite, which is XRP. XRP on trend, medyo not quite good pa din because mas marami siyang resistance compare kay ADA. Oh, pansinin niyo daw si Mike. Oh, Mike, palapakan niyo si Mike. Pansinin niyo daw si Mike. Hello, Mike. Ninong. Okay. dapat gagawa mo rin ako ng video kay Ninong Rai. Magre-request ako ng luto ko. Okay? Alright, so for now, for XRP, still on observation. But if you have a good base that you bought before here on this, also this, yung dito na area, pwede kang bumili ngayon kahit pula siya. Kasi nasa support naman. Okay, and the volume of sellers are trying to hindi naman, alam mo yun, nagpababa that's going sideways. So it's meant to say it's reaccumulation. So kahit pababain, pwede kang bumili, no? Kasi nagko-coiling siya. So it may take for a few weeks for us to identify based on the current data trend na meron tayo. But also, take note, okay, nawala na yan sa uptrend. Same yan kay Ethereum. Na it needs to establish a very strong support to attack this area here. Itong area na to. Ito. Pero din sinabi ganyan yung angat niya syempre, it will go like ganyan, no? Oh, ganyan. It will go trend. Okay, hindi yan basta-basta. Alright. Sige, tingnan natin. What else do we need to check? Good evening, bro. Pwede pa check ng AVAX. Is that the stock? Sige, later. We're gonna check that. Let's check also Sol Luna from Jerry Jelizon. And from Daryl, let's check SLP. So, ulit yung XLP. Let me tanggalin mo natin to. SLP USDT. Para sa mga nag-aaksi. Lagyan ito ng konti analysis. Alright. Okay. Wag to. SLP USDT. O Tether. Yan. Tetherus. Hindi rin to. SLP Tetherus. Yan. Okay. Honestly, sa current niya, ito, for me, bearish na to. That's one. Honestly, kitang-kita naman From the top, it's the previous top. It's definitely already very, very bearish at 81%, no? The good thing about it, kung papasok ko ngayon, for you, it's safe. Pumasok siya. But, as of the current moment, kailangan kasi niyang mag-build ng base dito Pero kung ako aggressive, pwede ako kumuha ngayon. Okay, pwede ako kumuha ngayon because based on technicals, kailangan ko lang ng isang green candle para mapatunayan that this is an all-time low. Kailangan kasi gumanyan yan So for now, for SLP, safe ka talaga ngayon kasi konti lang yung kung kukuha ngayon, konti lang yung risk mo no? 20%, no? 10%, no? Depende sa value from this area. Pero yung potential gain mo dito, pinakamababa mo ng potential gain kung bibili ka ngayon. Bili nga ako sa Binance nito. Bibili lang ako SLP tapos bebenta ko. Well, 36% for 1:3 yung current niya, no? Short term. So, but it still depends on the developer kung paano nila to iaangat. Kasi of course, possible a lot of people are not breeding anymore or like burning SLP to create breeds, no? Possible like just yung mga players ito nagbebenta kaya produce yung mga PVP na ginagawa nyo or yung mga contest na yan. Saan nagagaling yung SLP? Diba ginagawa ng developer? Ang daming supply, hindi ginagamit for new breeding,
binibenta na because of money generating. So kung hindi magawa ng paraan ng developer yun, we might see it go down further around this area. So the next support that I'm looking into is negative 46%. Pero ngayon, nandun na siya sa support na dapat aggressive, pwede na akong bumili. I just need a green candle confirmation. Okay, green candle confirmation for me to confirm that buy signal for SLP. Okay, so let's check at Sol. Si Sol is also one maganda din. Based on market cap, isa rin yata nag-beat for, I think because of market cap, mas nilakbayan di yata nito si si XRP, no? So Sol is on wave, going wave 2. Wow. On Elliott wave. Hopefully this is wave 1, wave 2. Wow. Pwede rin to, no? Tingnan natin to. On a major perspective, this is 618, 615. Okay. Dito, abangan ko to dito. Ayan. Major. Okay. Alright. Una, sa... Teka, ayusin ko lang tong. Gawin natin EMA 10. Ayan. First all, una sa lahat, okay? Very bullish, very maganda ng direction ng trend. Okay, hindi ko na yan kukunin ngayon. But if magkaroon yan ng green candle, okay, pwede mo i-aggressive buy yan ngayon, no? If tawirin niya to in the previous day. Pero if hindi, dito kayo naabangan. Pero kung investor ako ni Sol, dito ako bibili sa nilagyan ko. Kasi nakita ko dito, this is wave 1, wave 2, tapos isang malaking wave 3. Kung magkaroon yan ng Elliott wave ko, possible na to. Dito yan, no? Pag nag-bounce yan dito, yan ang next yan. Pag nag-bounce dito, sa range na to. But if hindi mag-continue to, tingnan natin. Ito yung next ito. Yan. Mga 256%. Dito siya mag-bounce. Pero dyan lang yan. If this is wave 3 already, may late na lang ang possible na to. But basically, maganda yung pinapakita niya, degree pa lang of the trend. Ang ganda na, no? Dalawa lang abang mo dyan on the short term. It's either ngayon, magte-test buy ka, or wait ka ng isang green candle, aggressive ka, or hintay mo siya dito. Pero if you wanna be safe, let it on this range. Itong range na yan, saka ka pumasok. Okay, yung sa trend na yun. If gusto mo pumasok, baka mo EMA 50 na next bounce. Okay, or buy ka in range, no, in ranges. Okay, let's check natin. Algo USD. May chance bang bumaba si XLP sa 3 pesos ang XLP? Honestly, we cannot say meron, kasi sabi ko lang kanina, possible, pwede niya ibaba if people will not breed more or people will not burn more SLP kasi the supply is really circulating a lot, no? Medyo ang dami. Pag hindi sila nag-burn yan at yung supply sige lang pasok sa market, babagsak pa talaga yan. Kasi dalawa lang yan eh. Yung mga current users, what are they doing in the SLP? Are they selling it? Tapos may SLP na po-produce na naman from the developer? Or are they breeding it? So current psychological insight ko ngayon sa kanya, yung mga tao gusto magbenta. No? So kailangan yun ng mga developers gawa ng isang update yung game para mag-breed para mag-breed more yung mga players. At gamitin nila yung SLP nila. So, but on the current technical analysis, honestly, all-time low eh. All-time low. In terms of you're gonna buy or you're gonna sell, mas better bumili ka kaysa magbenta at this point. So, bababa pa siya, it depends. So, we cannot tell. But ngayon, mas maganda na bumili ka kasi mas maliit, mas mura siya. For ito naman, let's go. Okay. For Algo USD, medyo late na tayo dito. Supposedly dito yung bilhin na to. If hindi tawirin tong if mag-breakout siya, no? If mag-breakout siya, pwedeng bumili. Kasi based on the angle of the trend, parang may gusto niya mag-ipon dito eh. Gusto mag-ipon dito or Wait for this, no? Gumanyan. Tapos magkaroon dito ng green candle. Saka natin bilhin. Iwa-watchlist ko na tong algo na to. Honestly, bumili yata akong algo eh. Let me check ha. Bumili yata ako nito guys eh. Ayun, bumili ako. Bumili pala akong algo. $200. Kahit nasa tuktok na siya, no? So, bumili ako when it was here, no? It was here already. So, for now, observation muna tayo kay algo. Another one that we can play on this one. If mag-breakout siya. Second, if mag-trail tong MA10, tapos mag-sideways siya, tapos tumapat dito with low volume. Walang volume. Tumapat dyan, saka natin bilhin before mag-breakout. So, wala muna tayo ngayon. Hopefully, by the time na mag-live ako, ganito itsura niya, pwede nating sabayan yon ng momentum trade. No? Tingnan natin. For now, ako bumili ako nung it was way sa ilalim. Sa ilalim pa siya bumili ako. With the spread, medyo Saturday ito, pagbili ko 8%. So, nakabila ko sa medyo ilalim on na momentum play. So, for now, observe muna. Medyo late na pa kasi nasa tuktok pa siya ng konti. XTZ, let's check at XTZ. Ayun, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, no? Parang XTZ yung tsura ng algo. Possible. Nangyari doon na wala. Okay. Itong tugtog ko Ayan. Ayan. XTZ. Ayan ito sinasabi ko guys, no? Ayan, nakita nyo tong area na to? Ayan, no? Kung kumuha kayo dyan, kahit malapit sa tuktok, o di nakuha mo yung area na to, no? Pero ngayon, wag muna. Very late na to kay XTZ na pumasok. Kung yan, nakita nyo tong yan, o nasa live ko yan, nataon nasa live ko to, tapos nakita natin, pwede bilhin. Pero ngayon wala na eh. So, ganyan gusto natin mangyari kay algo. Pero ngayon wala muna, no? Observe muna tayo. So, kaya medyo resistance na siya eh. At yung sa akin, binenta ko na nga yan eh. XTZ ko, narita na dito, para ano lang to. Ang natira ko na dito kay XTZ ko is ano na to, kapital. No, I let it be. Bahala sa buhay niya, no? Kapital na lang yan eh. Na profit kasama, no? Free asset, as they say, no? Okay, so XTZ, okay na ako dito, Reg. I'm just gonna wait for this kasi libre na yan eh. Wala tayong gagawin dyan. Chill na yan. Diba? Tom Ramo. Check at Tron. Let's check at Tron. Sure. Oh, sorry. Okay. Tron. Okay. Ito muna. Ito muna check natin. Dalawang bagay ito, no? If ito ang trend line ng mga nakatingin kay Tron, okay? Isang green candle, let's buy. Isang green candle. Magkaroon ng red candle, buy. Okay? Bakit? Okay, bakit? Pag ito nag-trail, yung dalawang yan, bumagsak pa dito, tapos nagkaroon ng green after, talagang buy na buy, no? Reversal support, ano yan no? If that's the angle. So, kung magkaroon ng green candle yan bukas, buy. If magkaroon ng red candle, buy. Cut loss below this area. Okay? So, observe pa. Another perspective for TRX. What if, ito yung tingnan nila. Ito yung tingnan nila. Ayan. Okay. Kung ito yung tinitingnan nila, means nangyari na yung gusto nating mangyari. Yung kanina. So, nag-reverse, nag-support, then trying to go up. Okay? So, anong gagawin natin kung ganyan ang tingin nilang trend line, no? Kasi may mga perspective yan eh. So, gagawin natin, kung ganyang trend line yung gagawin natin sa kanya, what we're gonna do is draw this channel and tingnan natin yung angulo ng mabilis. Yan, okay. So, kung ganyan ang tingin nila, ito yung ano natin kay ayan. This one. Yan, kung ito yung tingin ng mga nakatingin kay Tron, okay? Para ako nag-masterclass dito ngayon, Okay. Hintayin natin ito pumunta dito. Saka natin bilhin. O hintayin natin mag-trail sa gitna, mag-sideways sa gitna, saka natin bilhin. Pero for now, resistance, wala. So, So, dalawa, di ba? So, pareho lang, no? Pag nag-red, bili. Pag nag-green, bili. O, di ba? So, parehong angulo, parehong buy signal. Pero for today, we just need to observe. Okay? Kasi pag nag-green to, meaning breakout, di ba? Breakout. Pag nag-green, breakout. Pag nag-red, support, be-build up. Trail yung EMA 20. So, wala tayong gagawin, no? So, just today, most likely is really more into observation, no? For mga yan. So, but still, maganda siya kasi nag-reversal. Okay, Hex USDT. Hex USDT. Ay, para talaga may hilig sa, ano, no? Sa... Kaming mahilig sa crypto. Pansin ko mga crypto yung mga tanong talaga, no? Sige, pero okay lang. Mabilis ang crypto, so doon tayo. Pero syempre, correction yung market eh. Doon tayo sa lahalab natin, no? Okay, kita mo yan, no? Ayan, kita mo na yung sagot ko, Alfred. Yan pa lang, kitang-kita mo na. Okay, una, pag nagkaroon ng green, bili, momentum trading. Wait, ko may breakout. If aggressive, check, bili. Kung aggressive buyer ka, pwede siya. If aggressive buyer ka, kung conservative ka, wait for a green candle, close opening there, saka mo bilhin. Wait for this to trail, kung hindi, okay lang. If mag-red, dito ka mag-abang. Itong area na to. Ito. Ano oras na ba? 9:29, wow, mag-open ang market. Gusto ko makita. Ayan. Last na ito muna for the crypto. Check muna natin yung market. Yan. Aggressive buyers, pwedeng bumili ngayon. Conservative buyers, wait for this to finish or pumunta rito, then mag-green. No? So, yan, kitang-kita, no? Dito, resistance, support here. Okay, ADA. Tapos na tayo kay ADA. Dogecoin. Let's check Dogecoin. Sige. Open ang market. Sinaw mo na ako nag-sell off na. Pero feeling ko green ngayon eh. Dogecoin, pangit. Okay, pangit si Dogecoin. Wala mo nang gagalaw kay Dogecoin. Pangit si Dogecoin, guys. Okay, so wala na tayong gagawin dito. Most likely, mag-sideways yan dyan or babagsak dito eh. Pero most likely sideways. So, pangit pa talaga siya. Wala muna tayo. Observe muna tayo kay Dogecoin for now. So, hindi na kailangan to i-analyze. Pangit pa lang. Itsura na eh. So, okay. Okay. Channel na pababa to eh. O yan, no? Sobrang channel na pababa na. So, wala. Bye-bye. Okay. Pero kung gusto mo i-trade, against sa trend ka kasi eh. Dito lang yung 3P mo eh. Oh. Ayan, lapit lang. Oh. So, mas maganda pumuha yung mga pataas na. Yung nag-alam mo yun, nag-low, kesa yung ito, itinitrade mo, mas marami naman pataas, ba't ka pa kukuha ng pababa, di ba? Yun lang yung logic doon, eh, no? AVAX! Ano ba itong AVAX? O, sige, check natin itong AVAX. Okay, so, parang sinasabi ng mga tao, mag-Binance na lang daw tayo, ha? Okay. Okay, sige, ito na lang, tingnan natin itong AVAX, all-time high, kahapon. O, aggressive buyers, bili, ngayon. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Alright, good. Aggressive buyers, bili. Kung bakit ko sinasabing bili, kahit nasa tuktok siya, attend ka ng masterclass kasi may technique kaming ganyan. Aggressive buyers, bili ngayon. Okay, cut loss below, mabilis lang. Huwag masyadong cut loss ka dito ng mga 12%, pwede na. Okay, tingnan mo, bahala ka na. 1:1 ka nga lang ngayon. Pero, syempre, ipag-break niya yung all-time high, pwede. Okay? If, within the week, hindi niya break yan, i-out mo na. Kung mag-sideways lang siya. Okay, within the week ha. So, in between Monday up to Friday. For aggressive buyers. Pero kung for conservative buyers, I would suggest, within the week, bumili at this range. Wait for it to go here before tayo bumili within the range. Ano yun? Okay, that's it. Wala itong AVAX wala itong AVAX dito sa eToro. Okay, let's check the market. SPX 500, let's check the SPS 500. SPX 500 for now. Okay, sabi ko nga SPX 500, it's all on the retest for today. So today natin malalaman kung may follow-up to tomorrow. If o magko-continue yung pababa niya na or yung pababang correction. But basically for me, mas malakas ang correction nitong next few weeks eh. So possible pa to magkaroon ng follow-up within this area before mag-correct. So if you want to buy aggressively, wag muna ngayon. Kasi today pwede kung itatipo mo bukas. Kasi possible mag-open bukas kasi bagsak, no? Or mag-continue. Pero sentiment-wise, pababa kasi. If we go to the lower time frames here, we can clearly see that the market is even Russian shuriken, no? In the next 4 hours, if magkaroon to ng red candle, tuloy-tuloy to pababa. Okay, Russian shuriken, no? Saktong-sakto, guys, oh. 4 hours, oh. Russian shuriken, oh. Pwede to i-short, oh. Yeah, check natin sa 30 minutes. Mag-o-open nga ako ng sell nito. Ops. Parang pwedeng bilhin, no? Russian shuriken pa lang, eh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. MA100. Uy. Parang masarap mag-short ng SPX 500, guys. Tingnan natin ng US 100 daw. 4 hour Russian shuriken yung ano, guys, oh, yung SPX 500. LTC breaking out. Litecoin, let's mamaya check natin. Ito kasi nasa support yung tech stocks eh, kaya mas makakatakot i-short to eh. Pero no, ganun din yung itsura, Russian shuriken din, no? 4 hours, oh. Pareho din itsura eh, no? DJI, Dow Jones. Ito mas clear to eh. Mas clear to na bagsak eh. Ito kasi mas clear na bagsak yung Dow Jones eh, oh. Sideways on the top, MA50 retest. Clear siya na talagang papaba na siya eh. No? 2 beses na nga na EMA10 na no, resistance. Nagbili. Ayan. So I would really short the SPX 500 in the next 30 minutes. If mag-confirm yung analysis ko, mag-short ako ulit. Nag-short ako nito recently eh. Ayun, nag-short ako dito eh. Ito, isa. 1, 2. Mga short ko recently yan eh. Check natin. LTC breaking out. Sige, check natin LTC. Ano ba ito? LTC properties? Or ano? LTC USD. Hindi nga, LTC USD nga. LTC Litecoin. May Litecoin pa ba ako? Meron pa yata akong Litecoin eh. Wala na yata akong Litecoin. Oo nga no, Litecoin no, pero retest eh. Itsura. Late na yung bili nito eh. Pero retest eh. Pero pwede test yan lower time frame. Oh. So lower time frame, pwede kumuha today lower time frame for LTC. Ganda ng ginawa no? Coiling no? Sayang kanina no? Oh. Ilang araw? 5 days? Pwede. Okay, check natin yan. May Litecoin ba? Wala akong Litecoin eh. Nag-green na iba oh. Mga red ko iba. Grabe ABNB. Benta ko muna to ABNB. Okay, let's go to the stocks. Stocks. Nagbibinata ako guys. Check natin. Nag-downfall. Okay pa naman, buhay pa naman yung trend nito. Hold ko na to muna. Muna tayo paano. Okay, check ko lang isa kong account. Go to the stocks. Mamaya tayo mag-crypto. Matagal pa, 24 hours yun eh. From Mary Frances Bidu. Okay, wala tayong gagawin. Observe lang tayo. Maganda naman yung pinapakita niya. Coiling from the MA50. and MA20, MA20, MA10 crossover to discounted price. So observe lang tayo, wala tayong gagawin. Buy ako, bibili pa rin ako niyan. Kung may pera pa ako, bibili pa rin ako nito. Meron ba ako niyan? Nasa kabilang account yata eh. Wala yata, nasa kabilang account. Okay, check natin iba. VWS. Nangyari dito. Ba't ka naglalag, brother? Lag ba ako yung tsura sa inyo? Okay lang. VWS is Producer Electrical Products. Okay, so yan. Alright. VWS. Reversal, sideways. Reversal, sideways. Tingnan natin. Pwede to, buy ito today. Kahit na may resistance dyan, bibilin ko yan. Yes, buy yan today. Confirmation, buy. May breakout sa previous candle. Pwede yan, no? May rase, may almost kage, tsaka momentum. Pwede yan. Test buy today. Test buy. Pen. Okay, si Pen. Di Sara Pen. Bagal naman ito. Yun naman pala. Nag-resistance dun sa sinabi natin. Alright. Ito yung gusto ko mangyari sa kanya. Okay, malakas na siya. Nagkage siya eh, di ba? Tapos nahuli tayong kuha, no? O, hintayin natin mag-rase. Rase na lang hintayin natin dito. Okay na to. Or kage retest yan, no? Malapit yan, no? Isang rase, pwede natin i-test ba yan? For now, observe muna. Nagpakita na ng trend eh. So, kailangan na lang talaga niyang ituloy-tuloy. But since medyo rally, so, tingnan natin isang green candle, possible mag-rase yan or dalawang candle. Pwede yan, mag-rase. So, yan. Twitter. Bumili ako Twitter sa kabila. Alam ko. Wait lang, check natin. Okay, tingnan natin dito for Twitter. Okay. Adjust natin trend line natin. So, nakita natin may trend break. May trend break nangyari sa Twitter. Oversold condition, uptrend. Confirmation candle na lang. Isang green candle to. Despite bababa, pwede natin i-test buy. Pero yung mga nag-test buy no isang araw, chill lang. Chill lang tayo. Hold lang tayo dyan. For Twitter. Meron akong Twitter. Check natin yan. Oh no. Sana hindi mawala yung kuryente. Lakas ang kulog. Umuulan ba sa inyo, guys? Umuulan ba sa inyo? Bilang lumakas yung ulan eh. Green, 1% down. Oh my God. Okay. EZJL. EasyJet. Ito. Wow, nag-beat tide ang EasyJet Transportation. Grabe, hindi na yung ECJ, no? Okay, parang ano to guys, Chidori, Check natin. May emotional sector, Okay, check natin dito. Easy. Tingnan mo kung tama yung ticker ko, Airlines. Para next month pa yan pero maganda yung airlines next month. Wala, sell-off to. Totoong sell-off to. Sell-off to, brother. Wala tayong gagawin dito. Wala yan, hindi na. Talagang sell-off yan. Possible may problema tong... Hindi pala, wala pala ako sa daily. Wait lang, Ganun pa rin. Ganun pa rin. Hindi ko bibilin yan. Sell-off to. Sell-off talaga to. Possible may problem to sa fundamentals. People wanted to go out Hindi siya emotionally sell-off but people really wanted to go out. No? Check ko lang to si Baba. Ang nangyari kay Baba. Grabe talaga, kailangan mag-upgrade na ng computer. Yung Chrome ko, grabe kalag. Ayan, ang inintay ko isa. Ibalik mo dito pa isa. Bibili talaga ako dito, sir. Nag-TP ako ng konti kahit papaano. Yung PDD, check mo yung PDD. Buy and may, sell away. O, PDD, nag-support. O, PDD, green candle na lang. Pwede na to si PDD, guys. PDD, pwede na si PDD sa next green candle. Check lang to, ha. Para masarap mag-short, guys. Wait lang, ha. Check natin tong ating isang, $400. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Wow! Ayan, sinasabi ko. Ang laki ng sell-off. May rejection talaga. May Russian Shuriken sa 4 hours eh. Ayan, no? Na-rejection talaga siya. Ay, Russian Shuriken. Parang gusto ko mag-short ng XPX 500 ah. Grabe oh. Pareho ba yan sa ano? Pareho ba to sa US1? Ay, nako, grabe yung bagsak nyo. Oh, pwede na itong sabayan eh. Hintayin lang natin dito ng konting retest. Oh, may 3 black crows pa oh. Ang laki ng sell-off oh. Ooh. GG, well played oh. Sarap nagsebenta doon. Yung mga nakabenta doon, the best. Hintayin natin yan next hour. Kung tuloy-tuloy yan, mga third hour of the day ako bibenta. Kita mo yan, no? Ayan, no? Nag-resistance doon, no? Bam! Dito. Nire-resist yung MA10. JD.com, VXRT. Check natin ito sa VXRT. VXRT. Ayan, may false breakout na pinakita si VXRT. May false breakout but still on the trend. Good pa din naman yung trend niya on that higher frame. Pero tingnan mo yung hindi siya nag-close above, dito siya nag-close oh. So nag-fail breakout currently. So VXRT going to the support. We just need to observe, or one green candle can potentially be a buy signal for this one. Negative na ba ako? Hindi pa, buti naman. Saan galing yung gains ko? Saan galing yung gains ko for today? JD.com. Kita mo yun, no? Last 7 days, oh. Sa crypto, ba, ano? 10%? JD.com. Tingnan natin yung mga moving average. Observe muna tayo JD.com. Nag-breakdown eh. Ang kailangan natin malaman kay JD.com, pero good thing sa JD.com is medyo going reversal. Nag-reversal eh oh, on the higher frames, on the higher angle. So kailangan na lang gawin ni JD is i-hold tong area na to, within this area. Pag nagkaroon ng continuation pattern, ng continuation trend there, pwedeng bilhin. But wala kasi yung pinapakita niya kasi may mga moving average sa baba. Most likely, ang sasalo dito 20. So tingnan natin, observe tayo. DWA. May Litecoin ba ako? Bumili ba ako ng Litecoin? Nandito. Tingnan ko LTC ko. Wala akong Litecoin, sayang. Dito wala akong Litecoin. Binenta ko lahat Litecoin ko yata eh. Wala nga akong laman, sayang. Binenta ko na Litecoin ko. Okay, Diva. Wow! Support na support. Ano ba to? Chidori? Check natin. Check natin kung Chidori ba to. Okay, Litecoin. Litecoin, pwedeng kumuha to today pero huwag nyo habulin. Hintayin nyo itong hintayin nyo. Grabe, tinagusan todo. Ayan, tayo natin yan mag-lower time frame or more. Reversal period eh. Oh. Lower time frame, pwede ito kumuha today ah. Pero wag nyo kabulin ngayon, nasa tok-tok na. Baka kumuha ako niyan later. Ano pangalan nun? Si DVA. Yan natin. DVA pwede buy signal today. Buy signal 1, 2, 3, 27. Pwede. Pwede itong DVA. Major support pa. O, lakas oh. 2 bili to Reg. Isang bagsak pa. 2 bili. Isang buy ngayon. Pag bumagsak pa ng isa, doblehin mo yung bili sa pangalawa. Eh, bounce rin tayo, Jay. Bounce rin tayo. 120. Ano ba yan? 120. Yan. Bounce rate. Tingnan natin. At market, so sarado, di ba? Sira ulo lang. Bounce rate, oh. Chidori. Pag bumagsak pa ng isa, Reg, 240 yung next na bili. Pag nag-negative yung pag nag-go signal kasi yung rase dito, the best yan eh. Isang bagsak pa yan, bili. Wala ka na sa second buy. Meron pa, ayun, may 141 pa ako. Oh, tsaka may mga bebenta ako dito. Tinignan ko. Airbnb ko, alam mo bang $50 na yan? Dapat tinipi ko muna eh. Sabi ko na ba, sentiment really drives the market eh. Ayan, no, imagine mo, nabili ko yan dito. Oh. Bumalik ng negative. Sige lang. Tiisin natin hanggang dyan sa trade. Pag bumagsak, bibiling ko yan lahat. Pero maghanap ako ng pwede. Wala na kasi ako talaga eh. Dito, naka-position na yan eh. Position na eh. Para next month. Tingnan natin. Ang problema ko nito, ang isang problema ko, ito yung isa kong malaking problema. Pag nag-end yung September, hindi ko ma-exit yung iba kong crypto. Wala akong pambibili ng tech stocks. Yung kabila yung gagamitin ko ito. Problema nito, wala rin laman. Zero din. Naka-position din sa mga kung ano-ano, nas negative pa siya ngayon. Low risk. GLD Gold. Going sideways. Nag-going sideways si Gold. Wala tayong gagawin dyan. Okay, UNP. Oy, maganda. Okay, UNP, honestly, for UNP, check natin. Going naman na siya sa support niya. Wala naman tayong volume na nakikita. Possible na to mag-bounce in the tingnan natin dito. Wait lang ha. Lagyan tayo ng mga drawings. Ups. Oh, dito natin. Tingnan natin ko Fibo 236 ba yan? Layo pa ng 236 dito. Okay, dito ang 236. Layo. Kailangan na talaga itong ayusin yung bagal yun. So buying range is between here up to here for UNP. Meron ngayon observe muna for UNP. But very good naman siya din konti. It's just that nagkaroon to ng sell off. Okay, nagkaroon ng sell off and breaking the trend there. But if ito-trend natin yung from this area here, okay, nagsa-sideways siya so far. But malakas sa support kasi between this area to that eh. Ito kasi medyo pwede na rin, pero di masyado. Mas gusto ko yung dito na area for UNP. ACB. Kaya ako sa ACB. Oh, negative din ako kay ACB. Pero chill ako dyan. Negative ako kay ACB. Oh, laki oh. Pero kasi ako ng buy eh. Kailangan talaga yung sentiment talaga muna. Pero which is still okay pa din. Alam niyo why? Kasi it means to say, okay, nag-drive off ng momentum to eh. Like example ito. Nagkaroon siya ng bullish divergence, diba? Ayan oh. Wala siyang bullish divergence. Tapos yung bullish divergence niya, ibini-break niya ngayon. Ayan, oh. Oh, sorry. Saan dito? Ito, sorry. Ito pala. Ayan, pag binirake niya, tapos magkaroon ng green candle dito, definitely buy signal pa. But, here's the thing. If ACB will break this area here, magbabawas ako. Hindi ko yan Superman syndrome. Pag nahulog yan, naghulog yung ACB dito, magbabawas ako. Pero pag nag-bounce yan dito, hold ko na yan todo. For now, observe muna ako. Though first retest kasi yan dito eh. So for ACB. So near pa naman siya, okay pa naman. Cheer lang. Box. Hanggang January ko yung hold yan eh. Okay, box. Uy, ganda na. MA200 naglalaro. Tingnan natin ang chido rin ito. Grabe yung lag nung computer. Galing natin ito isang... Uy, bili rin to guys. Ganda rin naman nito. 2 bili din to. Mas magandang bili to kaysa kay DVA. So, Divergence, Chidori, Confluence 1. To, isa pa. Mamaya na ako bibili. Maghahanap lang ako ng pantitipi ko sa kabila. Pwede rin to. Bibili rin ako nito. Wala lang akong pabili sa isalim, pero sayang opportunity eh. Bounce trade lang. Check natin. Namili rin kasi ako ng crypto no isang ngayon eh. Currently, bumili ako nito. Hindi ako bumili XRP pala. Ang binili ko yata Bitcoin. Bumili akong Bitcoin. Ayan, tumalpak akong Bitcoin, no? 500, tsaka isang 300 per Bitcoin. Tingnan natin. Close ko lang. Ay, green na, oh. Oh, di ba? Galing, no? Kahit babagsak, nakukuha ni dahil sa mga mga analysis ng palladium. Ay, commodity, pwede. Commodity, wala akong palladium. Ang spelling. Spot palladium. Ano ba yun? Ito ba? XPD, USD. Palladium divergence. Enter na ngayon. Divergence. Kitang-kita yung divergence. May rase ba? Divergence din yung rase. Oh, pasok kay palladium. Oh, ayan, divergence guys. Mabilis lang yan. Enter din. Yan. Dalawang signal ng divergence na yan. Parehong momentum indicator pa nagsasabi. Diba? Support here. Yan. Nasa near support pa. O, quick back lang yan. Quick back dito. O, benta dito. Sige ngayon. Commodity. Dito lang. Quick back lang muna. Cut loss sa ilalim yan. Yan. 2% lang. Pwede na. Na-cut loss. Diba? Lit lang ng risk mo, no? Kung i-extend mo yung risk mo, kahit mga 3%, pwede. Oh. 1:2 ka pa din, oh. 3%, oh. Oh, dito pinaka TP1. TP2 dito. Oh, 10%. Pwede palladium. Pasok. Divergence, oh. Signal na yan. Ayan. Hopefully, na-answer ko yun, sir. Oh, ayan. Yung mga box. 2 bilhin natin tonight. Isang box. Isang bounce trade. Ayan. Okay. Check natin. EBS. Pwede rin to. Sideways. Support. Rase. Oh, confirmation buy. Oh, di ba? Ayan, oh. Oh, confluence. Dami mong signal, no? Confluence. Oh, support. Pero range to, range. Pwede pa yung bumaba isa. Pero mas likelihood to na pataas na siya hanggang kahit dito. Ano, Dyan muna tipin yan. So, medyo bibili mo yan ngayon. Ito lang yung risk mo dyan. TP1. 1:2. 2% ka lang na risk, oh. Ayan. Yan. 1:2. Take 6%. Pwede rin to. Sideways, eh, oh. Mean reverting. LLY. Ito. LLY, parang mga sell-off na ngayon, eh, no? Mga Pachidori technique yung mga pwede natin gawin dyan, eh. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. LLY. Support 382. Pwede rin, aggressive. Ano ba ginagamit ko dito? Oh, pwede rin to. Bili ngayon. 'Di ba? Siguro nanonood sa akin na marunong mag-technical analysis. Ang tanga-tanga naman tong taong to. Pababa, pinapabili mo yung mga viewers mo. O, yun yung advantage ng techniques ni WIPH. Kahit pababa, pwede mong pasukin. Kasi may risk management ka, 'di ba? Tapos yung risk reward 1:2 pa din, 'di ba? Kahit pababa, pataas, pababa, spaghetti. Pero pwede to, bounce trade lang to, honestly. Channel pa lang. Kahit pababa yan. Doras, ang support kasi nito. Honestly, support naman na siya, eh. Ayun, no? Easy lang to, eh. Easy lang to dito. 1% nga lang risk mo dito, eh. Yan, 1:3. Pwede yan, eh. Range na support. So, pwede to LLY. Chidori. Fastest. Walmart partnership. Anong Walmart partnership? Ano meron sa Walmart partnership? Palladium, Miss Dali. Diba? Tama ba? Yan ba yung Walmart partnership? Sunday review yan ni Coach Reggie, di ba? Yan, malupit dyan. Yung, samahan niya yan si Coach Reggie na Sunday. 3 times a month. 4 times a week. Yan. GLBS. Galit na galit pa si ano. GLBS, position trade kasi ako dito, eh. To the max. Ang hintayin. Tagal ko naghihintay kay GLBS. Pero chill na lang to kasi hinintay ko na ito lumipad, eh. Pero patience na lang to si GLBS, guys. Sarap, oh. Lapit na magkagi si GLBS. Ay, naku, ako sa inyo, bibili na ako ngayon ng GLBS. Momentum pa, may rase pa na signal, oh. Hinihintay ka lang another buy signal dito. Negative pa ako dito. Alam mo kung may pambili pa ako ngayon, sarap. Alam mo, sarap. Gusto ko mag-deposit, no? Malapit na yata ito kagi, eh. Wala pa ang kagi. Pero test buy, pwede na to, eh. Yan, no? Box lang, oh. Ayan, no? Simple week of theory. Sideways spring. Tapos pasok ng oil, news, maritime. Bam! Lipad to. Pustahan tayo. Di ko kakatlos ng GLBS ko, ha. Yung GLBS ko. Wala dito. Nasa kabila. Tingnan ko itong BB. Parang ayoko na itong BB na yan. Pero yung BB kasi kailangan na pala talaga ikatlos si BB. Hindi na umayon ng plano. Hindi na nag-trail sa EMA 10. Katlos na. Buti na lang. May pambili na ako sa ilalim. Pag bumaba ulit si DBA at si Bax, bibili ko sa ilalim ulit. Meron na ako 126. Katlos ako dun sa isa. CRBP. Riot. Carla, napapansin ko yung mga stock na pine-request mo. Box, Riot. Ano ba to? Twitter. Diba? Parang may resemblance, ha? Joke lang. Okay. CRBP, okay. Chill lang. Price action. Chill lang. DMC, Riot. Kasi kaya natin si Riot. Pangit ang picture ni Riot, brother. Pangit. Parang distribution to. Distribution yung tsura nito. Pero pwede naman siyang bilhin na pag nagkaroon ng green candle. Support lang. Tapos tingnan natin kung mag-rase. Pwede pag nag-green candle, confirmation natin. Pero for now, observe muna. Bakit? Naglaro sa below 200. PLA. Sakto pati ano, nasa ano pa, no? Siguro sa rotation pa. Health tech, biotech. Uy! Sarap naman yan! O, tingnan mo to ha. O, masterclass. Yung mga masterclass dyan, taas kamay. O, tingnan mo yung masterclass natin dyan. O, bilangin nyo yan, di ba? Bakit kukunin mo yan kung wala ng momentum? Tingnan mo, ayan ang nangyayari, o. O, di ba? O, all-time high. O, nag-support dito. O, di ba? Bumagsak after the support. Bakit? Di ba? Kaya yung masterclass natin, sukat yan, di ba? So, baka bibili mo ba yung ganyan? Hindi. Kitang-kita eh. Wala nang momentum eh. Pero tingnan natin. Baka ano to? Baka cheatery din to. Tapos kunin mo ng lower time frame. Sarap. Saan yung ano ko dito? Wala eh. Wait lang ah. Ayaw pakita ng signal ko sa ano eh. Uy, grabe yung... Makita mo kanina guys, negative $200. So, biglang pumitik, negative na ngayon. Grabe, no? Grabe yung market. Ayan, no? BLA. Nag-TP kasi ako eh. Kasi maganda dun eh. Bagal naman ito. Pwede rin to. Tapos maganda to. Kunin yung lower time frame mo. 29. Para feeling ko babagsak pa to bukas. Tapos saka nyo kunin. Isa pang red candle to bago to umangat ulit. Kahit naka-chido rin na siya. So isang red candle possible around this area. Pag nag-red candle around this area, aggressive ka pasok. Pero for today, kukuha ka, baka dito mag-resist yan kaagad. Kasi doon siya nalaglag kung saan yung mga support resistance eh. So, medyo ano pa yan, pero though emotionally sell off siya, meron pa kasi siyang ibabagsak sa itsura niya. Yan. For now, possible pa isa. Kuha ka. Possible kasi isa, pag yung volume sobrang liit, nag-close yung candle, before the closing, sabayan mo na. Possible yung green candle yung next. So basta yung red candle was below this area here. Tapos red candle, kunin mo. Okay. VMC. VMC. Vulcan Materials. Mas safe to kung kukunin mo reversal na lang. Okay, mas safe. So itsura kasi niya parang alanganin yung trend niya eh. Hindi niya alam kung okay, ito ba yung support ko? Hindi, ito eh. Parang ito, hindi yan, ito. Parang ganun ba? So, mas better yan to the reversal. Mas okay ng late kaysa sigurado than kunin mo siya ng blindly. Ang kulit, no? Kita nyo? Negative 37. No? Biglang from positive. No? Crypto yan. Crypto may dahilan yan. Snap. O2. 10.07. Kaya natin 10.07. Tahimik ang go-to, no? Baka kasi umaga pa. Usually kasi madaling araw tong lumilipad eh. Alam mo naman yung mahilig sila, no? Mahilig sila kumain ng go-to pag madaling araw or merong lamay. Joke lang. Nagjo-joke ka eh, no? Nagjo-joke ka, no? Okay. Pero wala pa ako nakikita ditong buy signal. Possible from a support here. Yeah. From a support here or wala pa. So far, building pa a base eh. Nagbe-build pa siya ng base from this go-to. Kilala ko yung may-ari niyang go-to king ah. Personally. Okay, snap. Yan. Parang feeling ko dahil tapos na yung end game. Tapos na rin yung trend niya. Okay, namatay na si Iron Man eh. So, yung namatay si Iron Man, wala na yung trend niya. Sabi niya, hindi na rin. Okay. Honestly, kahit internet nasa sectoral to, possible kasi ang support nito nandito. Kasi possible to pala to. Ito pala. Pag nagkaroon ng green candle dito sa gap field, hindi kasi niya finulfill yung gap eh. Tama ba? Finulfill ba niya yung gap? Pwede, no? Pag nagkaroon ng green candle around this area, test buy tayo. Or MA100 or MA100 trail natin. Tingnan natin. For now, observe muna. Pag nagkaroon ng green dito sa support, dati niya, baka di kasi filled yung gap totally. First snap. AMD buy na ba? Buy na ba si AMD? Uy, may trade call pala ako today. Hindi ko pa na-post. Gusto niyo makita yung trade call ko today? Natin wait lang. Okay. AMD no, hindi pa siguro to. Hindi pa. Wala pang confirm. Napin ko yung trade call ko today, guys. Dali reviewin natin yung trade call ko today. Kasi ipopost ko to sa public eh. Tsaka sa subscribers ng EAT. Okay. Alright. Uy, may ka-JPY na trade call. Ayan. Okay, Blizzard. Hintayin nyo to. Ipopost ko to. ATVI. Bangan natin to. Diba? Green candle. Pagtingin ko sa trade call, na-scan today. Alright. Sorry. Okay. Abangan natin itong trade call na to because currently nagbumo ng base na to. Isasabihin ko sa inyo fundamentals kung ba't natin bibilin to. But we can check, no? We can check as of now. So, abangan natin to si ATVI. So, but since ano na to, medyo wait lang Yeah, tama. Okay. Tingnan natin, trail natin to. It's either the support or a reversal. Para check natin to kung how much is this discounted. Meron kasing fundamental si ATVI. You read that one regarding the Call of Duty na na fundamental. So, because of the sales of Call of Duty, it's showing a good performance on their fair value. So, batiin natin. So, discount siya 18% discount from the EN na siya. 18% from this period. So, from this area, 18%. Well, not this one. Ito, 18% discount. Yan. Possible nga ito. Yan. Fair value is this area kaya nagbentahan kasi fair value, no? So, not 18% discount. Most likely, mag-release ako tonight regarding this one for the elite members. Possible here will be a buy signal here or 81 on a reversal. Tingnan natin 81 or 81 if mag-reverse to. Yan. Or hindi pala 81. Dito pa lang pwede na eh. Yan. For ATVI. So, I'll post the fundamentals. So, this is care of WIPH-ELITE Club. Research is really good, no? Ayan. For ATVI. Technicals na lang ang papasukin natin. Kasi alam na natin na PE ratio is around 29. But the current right now is 8. So, So imagine the discount that is showing potential. It average around 18-29 PE ratio, but right now it's turning 8. But also it made around 8 per 6% in terms of in billion dollars, 8 per 6% billion due to Call of Duty franchise. So for ATVI, this is just recent. This is just today. So you can read that one. So that's the research of of our WIPH-ELITE Club. So for tonight, I'm gonna post it with you. Especially for growth stocks. Sa linya na mga titingnan natin. Wow! Oh, green na yung ano natin. Hindi na ako binigyan ng opportunity. Ha? Diska, EMO, NMDM. Ito rin kasi para feeling ko tapos na to eh. Tapos na yung trend na to eh. Hype kasi yan eh oh. Tingnan natin kung mag-hold to. For now, wala tayong gagawin. Just to let it sit and check kung saan pupunta sa NMDM. Wala. We're just gonna observe it as we go along. Same with Momo. Same with Momo. Ito yung sinabi ko. Ito yung red line ko, diba? Sabi ko, as long as it's holding that red line, we can expect Momo to go up. But nag-breakdown siya doon. So we're now expecting Momo to form a triple bottom here. So triple bottom or another insight here. Kung i-build ni Momo yung base niya for a low. So around this area. Yeah, sakto may support pa. So here or here for Momo. So for now, observe. Wala tayong gagawin. Diska, Balata. Diska, retest eh. Retest period. Wala tayong gagawin for Diska din. So breakdown, retest. Wala tayong gagawin. Nag-aabang ako, mag-short ako ng market sa kabila kong account. Pababa yung market eh, sarap sarap mag-TP, sarap no. Topic ko rin negative pa ngayon, no. Okay lang. ET phone home. Ano kaya tong compensation na to? $2. Feeling ko staking to ni Ada eh. Ito meron ditong 20 itong $2. Ano kaya to? Staking siguro to eh, no? Or dividends. Possible. 80. Energy transfer. Ayun. For 80, no, nasa trend line siya. I want you guys to buy this if if mag totally reverse siya. Pero honestly, pwede siya test buy ngayon. Ang isang pure na ang tawag dito na confirmation, if this will break or this area here, magkaroon ng green candle isa pa or dalawang green candle more, possible to umangat ulit. Pero on the zoom out perspective, nasa support na siya eh. Pwede siya i-test buy ngayon. Yun nga lang, syempre sentiment, pangit yung sentiment, baka bumagsak palalo. So yun yung medyo iwas for now. Kaya yung mga kinukuha ako, pansin nyo, hindi ako kumukuha ng mga tagalan. Bounce trade lang. Yung mga oversold todo, bebenta ko bukas or sa Wednesday pag tinamaan yung TP. Pero for now, observe lang. Hindi masyadong aggressive. Though ko dyan, pag bumaba pa, bibiling ko ulit. Kaya nag-red yan dahil sa crypto ko eh. Dami ko kasi biniling crypto eh, no? Bumili ako ng Bitcoin. Bumagsak eh, no? Hindi talaga, para feeling ko di aangat eh. Algo, nag-green na yan kanina. So, yan yung mga abangan ko dyan. Parang itong port na to, naging naging crypto port na eh, oh. 50% crypto. 46% crypto eh, no? Sobrang overexposed. Disca, NMDM, nakuha ko yung kapital ni NTC. Ano what do you mean kapital? Nakuha mo yung kapital. What do you mean kapital? Ah, okay. Gets ko na. Nag-free asset ka na dyan. Ah, that's good. Okay. Snap. Go to. Tapos na tayo dyan, no? Ayan, alright. Sige. Check natin ang check natin ang SPX 500 ulit. Kung pwede na ba mag-enter ng shorting positions dito. Parang ibabagsak pa yata, ayo. Parang ayaw pa. Hindi, pataasin muna natin. So I'm gonna, for today, on my MT4 account, I'm most likely shorting SPX 500 further. It's really just to confirm that medyo talagang pababa na siya. Ano na lang talaga to? Pasok na lang talaga technicals kung saan ka papasok. For this one. And then, yeah, more on into shorting tayo, no? Kasi let's review based on the research of our team. Okay. Today is more really into sell-off. Tingnan natin yung mga natin, no? Mga internet industry. Okay, pati pati itong mga magagandang market ngayon for September. Check natin. Deck. Yung Crocs ka, ang ganda rin tsura niyan, pero bumagsak Pero okay lang. Benta ko yan end of September. Itong Crocs, okay pa to, di ba? Deck natin, okay pa. Isang buy signal here. Pwede, no? For deck, isa na lang talaga. Tingnan natin itong mga watchlist ko, ha? Okay, si Crocs is going sideways. Look at that, no? Ibig sabihin ito, hindi siya totally uptrend. It's basically sideways. So, ganyan yung pinapakita niyan. Most likely, dito tayo bibili. No? Dito tayo bibili. For Crocs. Tayo natin ito isa, SSTA. Okay, so SSTK as well. Most likely, dito na tayo kukuha. Bukas pa to. So, tingnan natin itong mga Shutterstock. Ayun, no? May buy signal today, Wala pa. Green candle. This can be a buy signal bukas. Opening. Check natin. For now, wala pa. Okay, and this one. Also, a green candle can be a buy for Dow. Green candle na lang to. Pwede to. So, yung mga watches natin nag-possible to mahinog within the week. Okay, Moss. Oh, look at that. Si Moss, isang green candle can really be a potential of buy. Sabi ko nga, if bibili nyo to, mas maganda nang bilhin nyo yan pag nag-green candle para sure na lang. Pero if you want to test buy, pwede na. For MOS. Okay, gusto nyo mag-test buy, pwede na ngayon, may signal na tayo for today. For MOS. UA. Itong watches ko na to, guys. This is my statistics yan, hindi lang technicals yan. This one. Tingnan natin dito. Green candle for Under Armour can be also a potential buy. NMR. And Nomura Holdings Finance. Another retest tayo dito. Kuha tayo dito sa retest sa baba. Sony. Japan stock. Japan exposure. Wala pa tayong gagawin. Retest here. ET. Pwede nang bilhin ngayon. Pwede test buy ngayon. Rig. Ito yung mga watches natin Rig. Pwede na ito i-test buy ngayon. Okay. Industrial contract drilling. Pwede ito i-test buy ngayon. Ayan, kitang-kita, Test buy pwede today for rig. Tanggalin ko na to. RLX. Ayoko na yan. IOTA, XLM, ILMN. Yan. So yan, pwede. May mga test buy tayo nakita today sa ibang stocks na pwede natin makuha. Tesla. Tesla. Tesla lower channel. Dito tayo dyan. Babagsak pa to isa. Di pa tapos eh. For Tesla. SPCE, Virgin Galactic. Test buy pwede, test buy lang. Huwag kayo masyado aggressive this month ha, nang bili ha. Kasi yung mga support na yan, yung mga support na pinapakita ng mga stock, pwede yung bumigay eh. Medyo corrective kasi yung sentiment ng market. So baka possible bumigay yung mga support na yan. So kung mga bibili kayo, kung hindi bounce trade yung sample ito, bounce trade. So normal yung allocation ko 120 times 5. Kung magte-test buy ako $60 lang. Kasi sentiment nga is really more into pababa. So it's 10:23 in the evening. All right. There you go. So before we continue guys, of course, if you want to learn in terms of the trade, the example for this one, yes, I'm red today in terms of like my total port, but up to date for this year, I'm up by 54% from my current performance. If ibawas mo yan, hindi pa siguro yan, 1% lang siguro yan. So kung i-close ko lahat ng stocks ko, I'm still 53% in general. Despite pababa o pataas ang market, no? We can trade that. We can be confident. Honestly, nagte-trade lang ako pag kasama ko kayo eh. Pag morning, hindi, I'm still at my job. So hindi ko tinitingnan. If you want to learn more for in terms of trading, invite ko kayo to join the masterclass natin. Magsi-start na to this Saturday. So, what we have in the masterclass are the following on your screen. Very, very profitable system, proven and profitable system statistically, technically, and fundamentally. So, kompleto to that you can rely on your future trades as well. So, we will start at the basic technicals, basic understanding, and the foundation on just week 1. Followed by proper risk management and some indicators and our signature techniques like momentum trading, trend following, swing trading. We have that, no? And even scalping techniques if you want to. Even momentum trading, pwede nyo, no? Also, what's good about the Wise Investors PH technical trading natin na masterclass, it is also we're actually emphasizing the proper also the importance of the intangibles like trading psychology. Okay, so how can you control fear and greed in your trading as well, no? Para hindi mo ibalik yung pera mo kay market. That's one. And last but not the least, if you're busy, if you're having different agendas, no, you can still profitable comfortably using our long-term investing strategies. So, how can you diversify? How can you, what do you call that? How can you fix your port, no? Rebalance your port in a way na you're comfortable, that you're confident in the portfolio despite it's red or even green. Paano mo siya despite nagdi-dip, despite nagka-crash, paano mo siya i-manage? Because long-term investing is really a holistic approach, no? Basta nandun yung plano mo at alam mo yung plano mo, technically, fundamentally, fair value, all of those things, economic mode in general, you can understand the market in general, plus macro analysis. We will actually tackle this for the next 2 weeks. So basically, please do join us on the Cardano batch. This will start on Saturday. Now, if you're also busy but you still wanted to earn in different formats, we have our robot trading. No, you can of course take advantage of the automated trading that is now used in banks, that is now used in other parts of the world. That automation is now lead the way. Kasi the difference between a man and a robot, the robot really follows the rules strictly. And if you set algorithm based on the performance of data gathered in how many years from now, you can really earn a lot, no, in using this one. So we have Izanagi, high IQ filtering robot, trend follower that has and included with 90% trade calls in Forex, and Valkyrie for 15 years of long-term back-tested analysis. So what's good about Valkyrie, it really gave you a statistics. In the next 15 years, in the past 15 years, you are secure that it is working and it is profitable in the past 15 years. Imagine if you have putted $500, this is not a joke, but based on backtesting, if you put $500 in the past 15 years, it made around $400,000 of profit. So imagine kung minimum of $1,000 pa yung i-invest mo kay Valkyrie. So if you want to learn more about this one, please do visit our website, wiseinvestorsph.com, and study the videos here and understand what this investment and how can you be profitable in this investment din natin. Now, last but not the least, before we go back to our chart analysis, okay, by joining the Elite Club, alright, I would like to invite everyone to join the Elite Club, because in the Elite Club, we have a lot of benefits that you can also rely on your daily and monthly trades, because on our Elite Club, you can have 90% trade calls. Meron tayong 90% trade calls dito, guys, ha. So back tested and forward tested in the past 15 years and in the last 100 trades. And also between 4 to 6 p.m. we also have trade calls with 90% win rate in Forex market. So if you saw my post last week, I earned like 60,000 using this one. Combination of all around our Forex trading, So this is the sample, that we had. So from August 16 to 20, we have 4,000 pips. Ito yung pinaka-recent. This is last week. So if you trade our September 6 to September 10, meron kang 949 pips. Imagine if for 0.10, that's $900 in profit. 0.10. So for 0.05, that's $500 in profit. Isa lang yung talong trades niya this week. Around 30 pips lang yung talo niya. That's how good the natin. So we have the robot and monthly report that you can have as a research team. Anong meron sa monthly report? Meron kang mga stock picks. Elite stock picks that you can have, based on the buy date, sell date, different stocks usually from each month. Binibigyan namin yung mga titingnan din niya technically and also fundamentally. So sinesend natin yan sa mga subscribers natin. So this is also an example of our stock picks. This is very recent, September 1 to, We have a recent stock pick between natural gas. We have technically a buy date kung saan ka bibili. Check natin natural gas ngayon. Not gas. Not just for stocks, Maganda dito sa Elite Club is research based ano pa anong ticker ni Natgas? XNG. Ayan, XNG. Ayan. USD. Ito, zero. Okay, this one. Spot. Kita nyo, pinabili ko yan dito. Pinabili ko si Natgas here or here on a breakout. Dalawang bili. Look at where Natgas is. Look at my buy here or here on a breakout. 20% ka dyan. Because why? Because of this analysis, kita nyo dito, momentum or breakout, wait to swing play support. Because there is a fundamentally explanation, fundamentally research kung bakit mo siya bibilin out of thousands of commodities there. Diba? Ba't mo siya bibilin? And premium siya, hindi siya, marami kami pinopost. Each week may isa, dalawa, tatlo lang kami pinopost because we're very well researched for this one. So that one can you see in the Elite Club. Please subscribe now. And you can request fair value. Ibig sabihin ng fair value, how discounted the stock is. You are confident in the long term, you are secured because there is discounted. Especially for good companies like Amazon. Sample, Amazon. Discounted of 17%. Usually they buy their first by a 10% discount. So meaning you're safe in the next 5 years that it can really go up to 4,200 level. It's a matter of time lang kung saan. Especially for good companies. If you're gonna buy this one, Morningstar, you need to pay how much? 1,500 to 2,000 pesos monthly or 2,500 yata to subscribe just in Morningstar. How about the other benefits? And last but not the least, for those who really just wanted to try our Elite Club, we have Elite Club public session groupings. We're the one conducting the research and discuss and exchange of knowledge or exchange of our belief or our research together on a small group setting. So we have our Discord there. I'm gonna post our Discord channel there. Please do join us. Our topic for this September will revolve this week na to, guys, ha? Why the US market always goes up? Why are we confident in investing the US market in general? So please join our Elite Club. There is a link there. You can check what is Elite Club, and those are mentioned a while ago is the Elite Club's benefit. Look at that, oh. Look at the natural gas, no? Todo angat. Isa rin yan na maganda. Yan, oh. Ganda, oh. Momentum na momentum. Definitely. Okay? So, remember, reborn this September, Elite Club. So, that's why our tagline is where the profit is, and that will be our result. Our result is your profits. So, there you go. There you go. So, yan. So, join us on our Elite Club Masterclass or check our ano dyan. And last but not least, guys, by the way, if you want to invest in the US market but you still don't have funds natin, konti lang, no? You can start investing in the US market as low as $1. Diba? $1. Paano to? Pakita ko sa inyo. Meron tinatawag na Go Trade App. Yung tinatawag na Go Trade App, yan yun. Ito yung parang Robin Hood of Asia. Ito, Robin Hood of Asia. Teka, tignan natin ito, ha. Ano ko lang itong App Mirror. Yan. So, Robin Hood of Asia. Yan. Okay. Ayan. Okay, this is my phone here. Yan. So this one, makita nyo dito, ito yung Go Trade app. So you can invest as much as $1 per stock. So kita nyo dito, so meron din sila mga ETF. Kasi dito kailangan pumasok with ng invite token. Yan, kita nyo dyan. So meron din siya for US dollar, meron din siya mga news, meron din siyang research kahit papaano. And also mga stocks. Example, you want to buy Coca-Cola. So meron siyang Coca-Cola dito. You can buy Coca-Cola at $1. Kita nyo $1, pwede kong bilhin si Coca-Cola. So pwede nyo bilhin si Coca-Cola with this one. So you can check this one for diversification process. If you kung gusto mo diversify lang, pwede dito. And pwede dito ito maganda dito kay pwede ka magbayad o mag-deposit using GCash. O using GCash pwede ka mag-deposit. 'Di ba? Alam ko pwede GCash yata. Tingnan natin. Paano mag-deposit dito? Nakalimutan ko 'to. Dito GCash. Deposit. Ayan. Then, meron silang free $4. Check nyo lang. So, pwede mag-deposit using GCash, using Go Trade app. Just download the Go Trade app here. Then, use the invite token on your screen below. Kasi, per invite lang siya. May invite token dyan. Then, deposit ka lang. Try mo. Tapos, may free $4 ka. May free $4. So, naglagay lang ako ng 1,000 pesos. Just to check it one. Pero maganda naman siya, parang okay naman siya so far. Kasi parang tinatawag nila Robin Hood of Asia. Alright, so it's 10:37. Let's have a review kung gaano ka-red na yung port ko. Buti na lang, nagbabounce. Bilhin natin today. Ito yung mga bilhin natin today. Bumili tayo ng DVA. So, already green na sa DVA. Despite the market is crashing, despite the market is correcting, imagine using the masterclass technique na green tayo. Kanina we saw box red, but right now it's turning green. Diba? Nakita nyo yun, no? So, look at the technical analysis there, no? Bagsak siya, pero binibili natin ang crazy. But yet, we are confident because we are using premium technical analysis. Nakita nyo, no? Ba't pabagsak green? Pababa, pero binibili natin, no? Look at that, no? kanina. Because of that, no? Because of our masterclass techniques. So please join us there. Okay, check natin ang SPX 500. Outside lang yan. Bukas ibenta ko na yan. Okay, so nag-green siya ngayon on the few minutes. Nagbi-build ng base. Most likely, short ko to later. Madaling araw siguro. Around this area here. Para mas gusto ko i-short si si Nasdaq. Mas malaki yung binabagsak. Pero hindi, no? Para SPX 500 GD. Dow Jones. DJI. Industrial. Hindi, mas malaki yung binounce ito. SPX 500 short natin. Mas maganda short. Dito tayo kukuha. Short natin dito on this retest. Then the next 15 minutes mag-short to dyan. Nag-dread. Kunin natin to. Okay, sorry. Yan, definitely. Yan. Short natin yan dyan. Tingnan natin kung mag-subside or magtuloy-tuloy itong downtrend line na yan. For Nasdaq. Most likely, bukas follow up. Pangit yung market na to. Correction in general. Biglang bumagsak si LTC. Sabi sa inyo, huwag nyo mamadaliin. Lower time frame kayo kumuha. Tingnan natin si downtrend na crypto. Downtrend, not basically downtrend. Correction pa lang. Hindi pa siya downtrend. Sir Raymond. Hindi pa. Correction pa yan. Ayan, no? Uptrend pa siya. Correction pa. Hindi pa siya downtrend. OCGN. OCGN. 15%. Ito sinasabi ko sa inyo guys, habang tahimik, bilhin nyo, no? Habang tahimik dito, bilhin nyo kahit trade. Kasi wala masyado, sobrang tahimik. No? Pero mga ganyan, late na yan. So ganda, tahimik pa lang siya. Kahapon, binigyan ako ng signal nito eh. No. Together. If I can remember, isa to sinabi ko na tahimik, bilhin nyo na kasi may signal na ako nakikita. I'm sure, no? Hindi ko lang binila akong pera nung time na yun. So, congratulations, Rocky Sale. Alright, that's it. So, there, $34. This is my, we are up by 2% for this one and Box for that. Kung marami yung pera, bibili ako eh. Tingnan ko maka-open pa ako kay Box. Hindi, baka bukas na lang. Para mayroon ako reserva. Ganda rin, 1% siya up, LTC bumagsak daw, Yun, grabe sell-off, Buti na ilabas mo sa'yo, Reginald. Diba? Late na yung kanina bumili, Lower time frame lang, Pasukin ka natin to. Tingnan natin. Hoy! Makakapasok yata ako, guys. Papapasukin yata ako ni LTC. Makakapasok yata ako kay LTC, guys. Check natin to later. Makapasok tayo dito for LTC. Meron pa ako 126. Pero nanginayang ko sa Airbnb ko. Sige na lang. Okay lang. Alright. So, it's 9:41 in the evening again, guys. Okay. Ay, by the way, guys, invite ko pala kayo. Okay. Si Sir Lloyd and I, we're gonna have a webinar. Medyo invite your friends kasi pag-uusapan natin doon is different investment, PSE, US stock, Forex market, and algorithm trading. So within the month, meron kaming webinar about that. So invite your friends, yung mga wala pang investment, hindi nila alam where to start, doon tayo magsisimula. Within the month, nagko-collab kami ni Sir Lloyd Bazar. So, yan, isa din yan. And last is, I think that's it. Yun yung gusto ko i-announce pala. Alright. Okay, so with that, guys, again, it's 10:42. Let's have a review. Kung ano may mga gusto ipa-check nyo na. Kasi the next 5 minutes, we're gonna end this live already. LTC, abangan nyo to. Okay, abangan nyo to LTC. Baka bilhin ko dito pag lumagpasin dyan. May sell-off ng konti. Tingnan natin kung mag-suffice to. Pag nag-breakout yan dyan, bibilin ko yan. So for now, hindi muna. Hintayin natin to. Yan. Pag nag-breakout dyan, bibilin ko yan. Pero wag muna ngayon. May sell-off eh. Diba? Abangan natin. Okay, so si Joseph Pat, Beauty Pat. UP Pat. Pwedeng test buy, pero hindi maganda yung itsura niya. Okay, pero yung test buy to, pwedeng test buy but not too much. Kalahati ng usual mo. ETC. Ethereum Classic. Wala pa, observe pa tayo dito kay ETC. Wala pa tayong gagawin dyan. Downtrend pa eh. Not really downtrend, no? Super correcting. So, nagbibuild ulit ng base to. Ayan. Most likely possible dito. Or dyan. Ang ganda, ito, test buy natin yan dito. For now, hindi pa eh. Pababa pa talaga sila. Snap, tapos na tayo kay Snap. Pinatay na ni Thanos yan. Babagsak na rin. Sino to? UNH Healthcare. Pwede naman si UNH i-test buy. Sa ngayon, no? Support, sideways, long-term trend line. So, pwede siyang i-test buy si UNH ngayon. Today. Test buy, wag masyadong aggressive, ha? Promise, ako sa inyo. Kasi pwede pa yung bumagsak dito, eh. O, kasi magne-negative sentiment pa hanggang October. So, chill lang. Maliliit lang na bili. Aggressive na kayo, October na lang. If you're following my report. NIO. Last tayo, last stocks. NIO, downtrend pa to. Tingnan natin kung makalabas dito. So, nagbibuild siya ng support. Tingnan natin kung ilabas itong area na to. If not, wala mo tayong gagawin for now. Sideways pa. Tapos na tayo kay ADA. ADA is still on observation. Dogecoin is no for now. No muna. Pangit yung tsura ng Dogecoin. Tapos na tayo kay ADA. ADA observation pa. Mara processing. Okay, ito yung degree ng trend niya. 45 degrees. Oh, sorry. Hindi tayo. No. Most likely to, bumagsak pa dito. Abangan natin dito. Mag-green dyan, saka natin kunin for Mara. Miyota, hindi ko nakita si Miyota kanina. Miyota, observe pa tayo. Dito siguro. Green candle here, pasok tayo dyan. Miyota. For now, observe for Miyota. Pag nagkaroon ng green candle, pwede natin test buy. Pero for now, hindi muna eh. Dito na natin siya aggressively bilhin. Or, hintayin natin niya maganyan. Mamimili siya on doon or pababa pa. Ayan, dito. Or dito tayo test buy. Apple, from the looks of it, okay, most likely babagsakin dito. Sa itsura niya ngayon. Restart natin yung chart, ha. Pangit ang aking ano. Sa itsura niya, baka bumagsak dito. Dito natin salawin si Apple. Honestly, mag-i-impact ako ng Apple within the month, eh. Yung mga magagandang companies, iimbakan ko yan, aralin ko muna, gagawa ko ng bagong port eh. For long term na hindi nyo nakikita. Long term hindi pala ginagalaw. No? Na walang trade lang, dire-diretso. Papakita ko rin sa inyo. MCD, McDonald's. Test buy McDonald's. Pwede si McDonald's i-test buy ngayon. Breakout. So, ayan. Nagbabox-box lang eh. So, pwede si McDonald's medyo, ayan. Konti lang kasi hindi pa siya fully breakout sa box niya eh. Pero it's a big strength for McDonald's. Tesla dropped by 3%. Yeah, we know that. Dito bilhin natin hindi dyan eh. Sinabi ko na ito kanina. Alright, sige. Let's have a review before we go. It's 10:47. Ito lang yung final set. Ito lang yung last ko masasabi dito. This is about the Elite Club. Okay, research about the Elite Club. Please be careful within the month because, of course, we still in the process of correction market. We'll never know kung ano yung babagsak. But based on statistics, based on Elite Club report, okay, if you want to still receive this kind of report para hindi ka magpanic kung bumabagsak ang crypto, kung bumabagsak ang market, definitely for this month, iwasan po natin ang tinatawag nilang 2-week span period. So, ibig sabihin ng 2-week span period, end of September and second week of October. So, ingat po tayo ngayon because of the 2-week span period na long-term hold. Bumabagsak talaga ang market. So, mas maganda na inaalis mo siya between, nagka-cash out ka between the 3rd week or 4th week of September up to the first 2 week of October. So, the 2-week span period natin dyan. And because of that statistics, we have a statistic proven in the past 50 years that XPX 500 is super negative between September 19 a 13% probability or 50-50 that it will be flat or growth about 0.2% from September 9 to 19. So medyo bounce possible to nangyayari after the first drop, magwa-bounce, then the drop ulit sa September 9. And this is an history of 50 years. Because on that 50 years natin, what you can expect with the market is the following. Wait lang. Ayun natin to. Nasaan yung aking statistics? Wait lang ha. Ayun. Ito. Ayan. Ito. Hanapin ko lang. Ito. Ayan. Ayan. Okay. Okay. So in the past 50 years natin, this one, pagtingin nyo, flat na yan ng August, ang SPX 500. It will turn negative on September, then magkakaroon ng rally between October. So this is Elite Club report, and this is an average of the SPX 500 in the past 50 years. So, pinag-aaralan natin statistically, ano ba ang sentiment nangyari sa market based on statistics and probability. Then papasukin natin siyang technically. So, if you want to receive those reports, subscribe in the Elite Club, no? Mga ganitong report natin or whatever natin na pwede. So, with that, guys, I leave you this note. Please be careful within the month. Bounce trade lang. If marunong kayo mag-bounce trade, better to just bounce trade lang. Bounce trade lang. Huwag niyong pilitin. If may setup pero walang sentiment, please wag niyong pilitin. Hindi maganda. Hindi magandang nangyari na sa akin nung July. Ang gaganda ng setup pero pinipilit ko, laging negative. So, hindi gawin yun. Ano lang muna, observe lang muna tayo. Stay on the sidelines. One quote said, di ba, na if you given me 5 hours to chop down a tree, I would spend the 4 hours sharpening my saw. So, this is the time that we really sharpen our saw, the plan for the harvest period. So, yun yung maganda doon together. So, with that, I would like to say thank you. It's gonna be a happy Monday to everyone. This is John again. Please subscribe to our Elite Club. Join the lifetime course of our masterclass course to be updated on technical style or technical trading. And last but not the least, if you want to invest or diversify in the Forex market, we have the WIPH-EA Robot trading on Forex. So may the market be with you. I would like to say ciao and good night for tonight. God bless and stay safe. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.